Yo, what's happening on YouTube? Ty with the xking.com hit you with another video, and I saw an interesting question on Quora that really caught my attention. It was kind of a hard question, but an easy one at the same time. The question is, how can I stay-at-home dad make money, make income from blogging as a stay-at-home dad? So how can somebody, a dad, a stay-at-home dad, make money from the blog? So first of all, I understand that it's harder to run a blog when you have kids at home because my son's 10 months now, and um, it is harder when you to run something, you want to build something when you have kids. I totally get that. It's difficult. Um, the good thing about blogging is first of all, it don't take a lot of time to run a blog. I mean, once you have your theme in place, you have your footer, you have your sidebar, you have your header all set up. The only thing you have to do is add content, and running a piece of content only take 2 hours, 2.5 at best. So it's easy to write content. What you have to do is keep writing content, and there's multiple ways to make money. There are ads, there's affiliate marketing, there's building email lists, you can sell banner ad space, you can do sponsored posts, you can promote your own products, you can promote your own YouTube videos. A lot of ways to make money blogging. But I think the number one thing is you're a stay-at-home dad and you're not gonna have a lot of time because when you get up in the morning, it's all about the kids until the kids take a nap or whatever. So, what I do, with my son is I plan out what to write. I plan out my videos I'm doing YouTube ahead of time. So when I do get that break, I can go ahead and do these things. I will use the WordPress timestamp as well. That's gonna be one of your best friends because you can write maybe 2 articles today, maybe 2 articles tomorrow, and you can timestamp those go live in the future. So in case and then with kids, you gotta stay ahead of the curve because stuff happens and you gotta take care of this, take care of that, and you all want to be ahead of the game. So use the WordPress timestamp. You can use affiliate marketing, use paid, you can run ads. You can promote rub niche or niche you're in. You could just find products on ClickBank or Amazon to promote those. There's ads. There's getting the email list and building a list of emails. They're selling banner space. There's a lot of ways to make money with a blog, but I think the hardest part, because you're a stay-at-home dad, you're not gonna have all that time to do it. So build the content up, keep writing content, and use one of those methods. If you want learn how to do affiliate marketing, I have a course below the video. It's free to join that it will show you how to become a super affiliate in 100 days. And a super affiliate is making 4 grand a month. So you're trying to make 4 grand a month. I have a free course on that, totally free. All you need is your email and your name, and you go through the course. It's a video course, very easy. There's nothing to fill out. It's just videos. You watch the videos, and you can promote the program they're using, and then you can make recurring commissions. So that's it for the video. You made multiple ways to make money from a blog. I'm learning it every day. I'm trying to build my blog up big as I can get it. And yeah, that's it for the video. Any comment, questions, concerns, let me know below the box, and I will help you out. Top with xking.com. Thanks for watching.